Hello friends, now we are going to study two-port network. But before understanding two-port network, we must understand what is basically a port. So, port is a pair of terminal which connects the electrical circuit or network to the external circuit. Here, if we draw one black box here and here, this is 1 and this is 1 dash. So the 1 is terminal number 1 and 1 dash is terminal number 2. So the pair of terminal will be called as what? Port. So this is port number 1. And the second thing is, the necessary condition for a port is that if I current is entering here, then I current should leave from the another port. So this is a necessary condition, guys. You must understand this. And now this is the example of single port network. And the actual example of single port network are resistor. This is 1 and this is 1 dash. Inductor. All the basic components 1, 1 dash, as well as capacitors. There are many, but I am writing here the basic component. This is 1 and this is 1 dash. So on the basis of port available in the circuit, we can define via one port or two port or multi-port. So here I have written here the example of single port. If in any circuit or black box there will be two port available, this is 1, this is 1 dash, so this is one port and this is 2 and this is 2 dash. So this is another pair of terminal, that is second port. So it is the example of two port network. The example of two port network are, first one is your T network. This is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. Here if you will see carefully, this is 1 and this is 1 dash and this is 2 and this is 2 dash. So this is port number 2 and this is port number 1. There could be a possibility of multi-port network also. We can draw from here. This is one port, this is two port, this is three port. If we can draw another port. So the example of multi-port network are, first one is directional coupler and second one is circulator. We do not need to discuss the multi-port network here because it's not in our syllabus. Okay, so we have to focus on two-port network. If we are drawing two-port network here, then this is one port, 1 dash, and this is another port, 2 dash. So port 1 will be considered as input port often and port 2 are considered as output port often. When representing via two port, then it reduces the complexity during the circuit analysis. This is the first point. Second one is, when two port model is used in mathematical circuit analysis technique for the complex circuits. Third one is, two port network is represented as black box. If we will take transistor as our example. We can represent this via two-port network. So all the transistor are your two-port network. And if we are studying electronics, then we will be seeing in all the parts the transistor, then it will be easy to handle with two-port network. And now we are going to write the exact definition of two-port network. Any linear circuit with two pair of terminals can be regarded as two-port network provided that it does not contain any independent sources and satisfied the port condition. If here we have two port, then in between there should not be any independent source, as well as it must be satisfying the port conditions, means I here should be I, means current entering at terminal 1 should be equal to current leaving at terminal 1 dash. The few examples are filters, transformer, transmission line, small signal model of transistor. This is number 2 and 2 dash. If we will be representing, then there will be a voltage at terminal 1, V1, current and terminal 1, I1, and voltage at terminal 2 is V2 and current at terminal 2 is I2. So there are four parameters V1, I1 and V2 and I2, in which 2 will be independent variable and 2 will be dependent variable. So while representing the relation between dependent variable and independent variable, 6 different model can be defined in two-port network. First one is Z parameter. Second one is Y parameter. Third one is H parameter, hybrid parameter. Fourth one is G parameter. Fifth one is transmission parameter, T parameter. Sixth one is inverse T parameter. So in the next lectures, we are going to discuss Z parameter, Y parameter, H parameter, G parameter, T parameter and inverse T parameter in detail. So here it is all about the introduction of two-port network. Thank you.